Welcome to Insider Style by Wynstan. I'm lifestyle journalist Holly Byrne, and today I am joined by Editor-in-Chief of Belle and House and Garden magazine, Tanya Buchanan. Talk me through your journey with Wynstan. Was it to start online or in store?
Initially I sent them some recce's, just shots of the house, and we talked about what we were going to do, and then I met the team here, and that was really simple. We measured up, they brought their enormous sample situation, but I pretty much knew what I would like to go for, and they had some good advice. So then we picked the shutters and the curtains, and it was pretty seamless for me. It was pretty easy. It only took a couple of weeks and everything was installed, and I didn't even have to be here, which was excellent.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
With the curtains, obviously there are so many samples, as you mentioned. How did you fine tune it and choose that final colour?
Well, again, I just knew that I wanted a neutral backdrop, so I went for a charcoal linen, and the team at Wynstan showed me what was in that palette and what would be suitable. And then we looked at opacity and things like that. So that's how we made our final decision. That was pretty easy. I love the shutters. That's the look I love, classic. And then in the master bedroom, I've chosen these gorgeous charcoal linen curtains, which again are a really classic look, but they're nice and streamlined and contemporary. And they look great against the details up there, which are gorgeous French doors going out to a balcony with iron lacework. So really beautiful, simple, and lovely to live with. Again, really great backdrop for art and beautiful bed linen and accessories.
So what advice would you have for people at home, whether it's for an investment property or their forever home, for choosing window coverings?
I think putting a mood board together, whatever you're going to do in your interior, and whether it's ripped out printouts from magazines like House and Garden and Belle, or a Pinterest board online, and if you get all those things together, pieces of art you love, furniture you've got or you might want to buy, cushions, accessories, and then you can show the Wynstan consultant and they can hone a whole lot of choices for you to have a look at, because they have so many fabrics and so much to choose from that nobody's going to know the whole range. So really, if you come to the Wynstan consultant with a great mood board and a bit of an idea of things you like, they'll lead you down the track of choosing what you need.
As an expert, as I said, in the field, you see everything there is to see for interiors. Where do you look for your inspiration?
I look for my inspiration in so many places, and sometimes I don't even know I'm doing it. I think just being interested in art and architecture and design and film and music and even nature and flowers, and I don't know, I feel like you get inspired everywhere, and sometimes you don't even know that that's happening. Fashion. So I think it's just, you just have your eyes open all the time and things inspire you.